Hello student, how are you? Today we are discussing about the some important topic of the business study. What is the current scenario of the business in India? There is a very important to mix the economic developments to grow the industrial and the business sectors in India, which if the this sector is a rapidly growth, we know that it's increases the country's growth rate. Otherwise, if you comparison to the 1960s, according to the time of the 16, when we compare the India's today's India's modern India's, it is a very big gap. So it is a huge gap between the 60s and the 20s. So we let us try to understand what is the changes between the this periods and what is the present situation of the India in economic sectors, why the Indian economic is a rapid growth during these periods. So all the topics we had covered this video. Okay, let us first of all we start. When we are colonial, we are totally depend British government to all those types of the activity which is the help to the increase the agriculture sectors in industrial sectors and the other sectors. Totally British government makes the decisions how can you develop the India's after 60. That means the after the 47s we are the free and the we are makes the decisions, but there is so many problems that times is created to agriculture and the industrial sector. The main and the basic factors to development of the industrial sectors is capital. There is no more capital to have investment, so there is no possibility to the rapid growth. So today we are measurement the different types of the problem in past and we are prepared to rapid growth. So let us we try to understand what is the scenario of a current. The first scenario of the India is the one of the fastest growing economic in the world. How can it is possible? India is the fastest growing because due to the large investments of the capitals and the adopted technology equipments and the machine and then so many other factors to involve to the India's makes the fastest growing economics. How can it is possible? To prepared FDI destinations. What is the FDI? FDI refers to the foreign direct investment. That's the is a type when we invest not more sufficient capital in his business, we offer to the foreign countries to invest the capital in our business. And that situations there is a no capital matter because he have a capital to invest in my country. So when we are allowed to the FDI, that foreign capital are already collected in India and invested in India. Rising income, saving and investment. There is the other mottos to the develop the economics to the rising income and the saving. The past time there is a no more income, so it's not create the more saving and it's not create a he not create the more investment. So present the scenarios is changes, present mindset is the changes. We are invested in a capital in the business and makes more profit and creates saving and other things. We invested a capital in other fields. That means we do the safe business. If the in the times of the business there is a losses are created, and what's happened this times when the loan is not provided, what's happened this times we use our investment. So the motive is a change in the present time. In the current situations, the motive is a change of the businessman and the people in India to create the profit, to create the saving and to create the investments. Higher growth in the sectors, all the sectors are the use the scientific natures, technological developments, modern equipments, and it is the causes to the development of Indian business sectors, economic sectors. When we are adopt to the different sectors growth rate, we are know that industrial sectors is the more growing sectors because there is a many other infrastructures and the other possibilities are growth in this sector. So fastest growth rate is the reason there is more investments and the more technology and the more other facilities are used by the this sectors. Now the initiative by the governments, due to the highest economic growth, governments have to the opportunity to invest the capital in different sectors. So governments are the aware to give the initiatives to development, just like make in India, skill India, digital India, and ETCs are the most important to developments of the different types of the different sectors, just like industrial sectors, digital sectors, IT sectors, and so other sectors are the development, because due to the support of the governments for this sector is the very high. So all the sectors are the do work full strength and the full efficiency. Foreign trade policy is also levels to added to the growth. There is a more opportunities are created when the foreign trade policy is liberal, because there is so many types of the ideas and the technologies are available in the foreign countries. When we adopted these types of the policies, its effect is the large, its impact is the very large, because it's involved to productivities, it's involved to the technology, it's involved to the growth rate, is it's involved to the fair remunerations, it's involved to the lowest budget of the capital. So all the things are the very useful for the business. So foreign trade policies applied in the business, we are international brand, and this types of the benefits is created to the all the traders of the Indias and the outsiders of the Indias to trade very rapidly in India and outside the India. Okay, thank you. We are study in this video the current scenarios of the business comparison to the past scenarios. So let us try to next topic in next video. Thank you. Take care watching my video.